Having already done my foundation and eyebrows, I'm going to apply a white base to my eyes. With a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm patting a matte green eyeshadow called Cricket from the Sleek Bright Matte palette and applying it all over my eyelid and slightly up into my crease. Then I'm taking the matte neon green from the Sleek Acid palette on a fluffy brush and using that to blend out my crease. And I'm also sweeping some of that shadow under my lower lash line. I'm then taking that matte neon yellow shadow from the palette and using that to further blend out the edges of neon green. This will help to create a nice transition of colours. And then I'm also sweeping some of that shadow under my lower lash line as well. I'm taking a sky blue pencil and using that to line my waterline. After curling my eyelashes off camera so I didn't pull out any of my eyelashes, I'm applying black mascara to both my top and bottom lashes. I'm then applying a pinky peach blush to my cheeks and blending it upwards and back towards my temples and slightly bringing it up into my hairline, but making sure not to be too heavy-handed when I'm doing this. With Obsession's Mega Lightening Highlighting Powder, I'm adding this to my cheeks, brow bone, tip of my nose and cupid's bow. Before I apply my lipstick, I want to line and fill in my lips using this hot pink lip liner. And finally, I'm applying Maybelline's Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Electric Pink, which is a very bright hot pink lipstick.